Today's subject is Environmental Studies Part 1 of Standard 4th, and name of the topic is My District, My State. Yes, dear children, you know that Mumbai is our district, isn't it? You can see the map here. This is our Mumbai. Okay, and see this. This is our state, that is Maharashtra. Okay, now we will learn about Mumbai and Maharashtra in this lesson. Okay, before that we will study about the tree. There are some questions. We will try to solve this question so that we will study about the tree in proper manner. Okay, see, this is a tree. You can see here are tall trees, isn't it? They have a tall stem, so many branches, leaves, isn't it? Okay, now see this picture. This is a growing tree. Can you see here the different steps in this process? Yes. Now we will go through the simple questions about the trees. First one is, what are the different parts of the tree? Yes, dear children, in previous standards we have studied about the different parts of the trees, isn't it? See this. We will go through this. Come on, see this picture. Here we can see the different parts of a plant. Is it right? See, this is a root. This is the stem. These are fruits. This is a leaf. So many leaves it has. Correct? And this is a flower. These are the different parts of a plant. We can see same plant, same parts in the trees also. Correct? Tree also has branches, leaves, flowers, fruits, and big strong stem, that is called trunk, isn't it? Okay, we got the answer for this question, that is, what are the different parts of the tree, isn't it? Now we will move to second question. Before that, observe this tree. So big tree, right? This is stem and so many branches are there, big branches. Then from them you can see the small branches, isn't it? Okay, we will go through the second question. Which of these parts are seen on a tree most of the time? Yes, we know this. These are the different parts of the plant or tree. But which of these parts are seen on a tree most of the time? Yes, we can see fruits and flowers according to the seasons, right? But we can see these stems and leaves, branches all the time, isn't it? Okay. The next is, which is the smallest part of a tree and what is it attached to? Come on, tell me. Here, which is the smallest part of a tree and what is it attached to? See here, the smallest part of the tree is nothing but leaves, isn't it? You can see here, and the leaves are attached to small branches, isn't it? These leaves are attached to small branches, right? Then a tree has many small branches, we know that, right? What are they attached to? Come on, dear children, here you can see one branch, two branch, third branch, so many branches are there. Where they attached? Yes, they are attached to the big branch. This is big, strong branch, isn't it? Yes. Okay, from leaves to small branches, from small branches to big branches, correct? Okay, how many big branches does the trunk of the tree have? You know, this is called trunk. Thick, strong, brown colored trunk, isn't it? And here so many branches, big branches, they are attached to the trunk. Can you tell me how many big branches you can see here? Yes, 10 to 12. Only 10 to 12 big branches we can see in this tree. But there are so many small branches are there, right? They together, they attach to the big branch and the big branch attached to the trunk. Correct? Like that only our village, district, state, they are attached to each other. Okay, dear children, we will try to understand about all these. Now, see this. Before that, we will try to understand how the villages formed. Okay? Earlier, man began to form the land. You know that in Stone Age period also, man began to form the land. Yes. Which land he selected? His fields were near water. He selected the fields which were near water. Right? Because you know that crops need water all the time. And nowadays we know about the pipelines and all that pumps, right? But in earlier days there were no pumps, no pipelines. So he has to put the water from the water source. Correct? So he began to form the land near to the water source. Then he settled near his farms and began to live there. See this. Near to the farm only he started to live, because it will become very easy to go to the farm and to look after the crops. Right? Then afterwards what happened? In this way hamlets and settlements were formed. Slowly, so many people, they build the huts. Right? They used to stay in a group, that is called settlements, which was near to his field or farm. And the field or farm was near to the water source. Got this? Like this, slowly the settlements or hamlets were formed. After that, these hamlets and settlements grew into villages, which then developed into cities. First is this one, farming. Then slowly they made the huts nearby the farm. Then slowly it converted into the settlements. A group of people, they lived together, means nearby. Okay, so that villages formed, and after that slowly it developed and cities were formed. Got this, children? Like this our development happened slowly. Now same thing we will try to understand in another way. See, these are settlements or hamlets near the water source. Settlements together, they form villages. And 2 to 3 villages, they together made development and formed towns. And from the towns again development happened and we got the city area. Got this, children? See this. These are hamlets or settlements, correct? They together made the village. Means village is greater than or bigger than the settlements. Okay. Then 2 to 3 villages, they together made a city. Right? And here 2 to 3 cities, they developed, and what happened now? District. They together made a district. Okay. And you know that Mumbai is our district. Nandurbar is there. Amravati, Jalna, like that. So many districts in Maharashtra together made state. That is our Maharashtra state. Okay, like that. So many states are there. This is Gujarat, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh. So many states, they together made nation. Our nation is nothing but India, our country. Got this, children? From smaller to bigger, from settlements to nation. How the growth occurred, we saw just now, isn't it? I hope you understood about this clearly. Okay. Now we will move further. See, this is our India, our country. Right? You know the map of India. Okay, this is our India, our country, our nation, Hamara Desh, Bharat Desh. Right? You can see here the star growing. Can you see a blue color star? That is nothing but Maharashtra state. See this. Same thing I enlarged here. This part is nothing but Maharashtra. See the location of Maharashtra in India. This is north side, this is south side, this is east, and this is west. We have learnt about the directions in the last chapter, isn't it? Now our Maharashtra is here. Same thing is enlarged here. See the state, our Maharashtra. Okay, and you can see here one more star. See this? Can you see here red star? This is our Maharashtra, and the red star, it shows Mumbai, our district. See the position of Mumbai in Maharashtra. See here, western side. This is east, this is north up, this is south, and this is west. Our Mumbai is to the south, to the west of Maharashtra. Got this? And this is our Mumbai map. See here Kulaba, here Dada. Okay? This is our Mumbai map. And this is our district Mumbai. Okay? Here Mumbai is smaller than Maharashtra, and Maharashtra is smaller than India. Got this? Okay? Now this is our map of Maharashtra, isn't it? Now see this, a star, you know, this is our Mumbai, correct? Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra. Okay, राजधानी, महाराष्ट्र की राजधानी कौन सी है? मुंबई. Capital city means राजधानी. Okay, and you can see here Nagpur. See this, highlighted. This is Nagpur. This is the second capital of Maharashtra. Okay, Mumbai is the first capital of Maharashtra, or capital city we can say, and Nagpur is the second capital of Maharashtra. Got this? Okay. Next thing is, see here, this is our Maharashtra map. I think you are familiar with our state map, right? Here so many districts are there. Can you see? All these colored parts shows different districts. Okay. Now here we will study now about our neighbors. आस पास के state वाले. Okay. See here. Can you see the star? This is Gujarat. Here we connect with Gujarat. This Thane, Nasik, Dhule, Nandurbar, this side. Here Gujarat stars. Okay. This is to the northwest side. Gujarat is to the northwest side. Then comes Madhya Pradesh. Can you see here in the north side? We are connected with Madhya Pradesh, MP. Okay. Then afterwards to the east, Chhattisgarh. Which state is there? Chhattisgarh. Okay. Then to the southeast, Andhra Pradesh is there. See, this all border is with Andhra Pradesh. Okay. After that, to the south side, Karnataka is there. Can you see this star? Karnataka, from here up to here, Karnataka is there. From Sangli, Solapur, Kolhapur, it goes to Karnataka. Then to the south, Goa is there. Okay. After that, to the west part of our Maharashtra, we can see the Arabian Sea from here till Sindhudurg. Got this? Total west side is located, west side is covered with Arabian Sea. Got this, children? This is Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, then Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Goa. These states are our neighbors. Okay. Now here we can see this Maharashtra map, and according to its physical features, Maharashtra is divided into 3 regions. Physical features. Okay, physic means body. Okay, according to the body of the Maharashtra, it is divided into 3 regions. Different regions we can see in our Maharashtra. That is, first one is coastal region. Okay, here I said that west side is totally covered with Arabian Sea. So that is coastal region. Okay, and in the middle and near that Sahyadri mountains and all that, I will show you later, that is mountainous region. Some part is totally covered by mountains, that is mountainous regions, and third region is nothing but plateau region. Okay, yes, 3 types, that is coastal region, mountainous regions and plateau region. Got this? Okay, we will study in detail about these 3 regions. See here, this is coastal region, correct? So many districts in Maharashtra, they are on the bank of the sea. These are called as coastal regions. See, this is our Mumbai, right? Throughout Konkan means that is nothing but coastal region. Next is mountainous region. See Western Ghats, Satpura Mountains. See, in our Maharashtra we can see so many forts, isn't it? Shivaji's forts, right? They are on the mountains, Pratapgarh, Sivagarh, all that, right? They are on the mountains. These are mountainous regions. And here, Kalsubai. Kalsubai, this is the highest peak of Maharashtra. This is above the level of sea. How much it is? 1646 meter above. Got this? 1646 meter above the sea level. The name is Kalsubai. Can you see here? This is the highest peak of Maharashtra. Okay? Now, plateau region. See this. Leveled region on some height. Here we can do farming. That is nothing but plateau region. We can see mountains also, but in between the mountains we get a leveled region on some height, that is called as plateau. Okay, got this? Now, Godavari river is the longest river of Maharashtra. Got this? So many rivers are there, Tapi, Narmada, so many rivers are there, but Godavari river is the longest river of Maharashtra. See, Godavari takes birth in Trambakeshwar, Nasik, and it moves, see here, it moves to Andhra Pradesh and then it connects to the Bay of Bengal. It meets Bay of Bengal. From here till here. For this is the longest river of Maharashtra. You can see the picture of Godavari river here also. Okay. And our state animal is shekru. That is giant squirrel. You know the nation's animal. Correct? Tiger. Like that our state animal is shekru. See the picture? That is a giant squirrel. And state bird is nothing but haryal. Yellow-footed green pigeon. This is our state bird. And you know, our nation bird is peacock, isn't it? Correct? Like that our state bird is haryal. Okay? Dear children, now we are going to observe and study the given map. This is a map of Maharashtra physical. I said physical means that is about the body. Okay, means we just now we studied about the mountainous region, plateau region and coastal region. Okay, same thing is shown on this map. So it is called as Maharashtra state physical map. Okay, and here some questions are there. We have to give the answer from this map. You know about the map, right? Because we have studied same thing in the last lesson. Yes, this is our direction. Up means it is north side, this is east side, this is west side and south side. Right? Index is given here. We have to use index to answer the questions given. Okay, see here, this is river. See the symbols. This is ghat, red cross marks. Okay, ghat or pass. Then triangle shows the peak. Then a circle darken that shows the district headquarters. And here the blue line tells us about the lake and reservoirs, dams. Okay, now we will go through the question and we will observe the map again and we will try to find out the answers for these questions. See, the first question is, what is the name of the mountain that spreads from north to south in our state? North, up, south, here down, isn't it? What is asked? What is the name of the mountain? Yes, come on, please search the name of the mountain from this map. From north to south. Yes. Here it is there. See this? Sahyadri mountain. Yes. See this. Sahyadri mountains or Western Ghats. This is our answer. Sahyadri mountains that spreads from north to south in our state. Got this? Please see the position and see from here it started up to the south area, means from north to south. Okay, so it is called Western Ghats. Next thing is second question. What is the name given to the region to the west of this mountain? Here we know Sahyadri mountains are there. What is asked? What is the name given to the region to the west? West means again this side, right? What is the name given to the area? Yes, here. Correct. This is Konkan region. See this. Konkan. Konkan. Okay, means coastal region. The region to the west of this mountain is called Konkan division or region. Okay, got this? Yes, dear children, like this we read the map. We'll move to third question. On the shore of which sea does this region lie? Here Konkan region, we know this, correct? Yes, this region lies on which sea? Yes, you know that on western side we have Arabian Sea, correct? The answer is this region lies on the shore of Arabian Sea. Okay, now we'll move to fourth question. What is the name of the mountain in the northern part of our state? What is the name of the mountain? Northern part, up. Yes, any mountain you can see here. Northern part, yes. Yes, here we can see Satpura mountain. See this, correct? These mountains we can see in the northern part. The name of the mountain in the northern part of our state is Satpura mountain. Next is, which is the river in our state which flows from the east to the west? Yes, this side is east. This side is east and this side is west, correct? Which is the river? River symbol is like this, pink colored light lines, correct? Here you can see light lines. Okay, light pink. Okay, which is the river in our state which flows from the east to the west, from this side to that side? Yes, I will show you here. See this. Can you see here? From, again I will show you. See this. It moves from east side to west side. The name of this river is Tapi. The river Tapi in our state flows from the east to the west. This Godavari from west to east it flows. Okay, and Tapi from east towards west. Okay. Yes, dear children, this is our Maharashtra map, but it shows average annual rainfall. Yes, here we can see three different shades of blue, isn't it? One is dark blue. Here you can see the dark blue part and a little less blue. Okay, means shade is little dull according to this one, and the third one is too much dull, correct? Dull blue. So here in the first, dark blue means what is that? Region with heavy rainfall. Okay, dark blue area shows region with heavy rainfall. You can see Konkan region, totally this is the heavy region, heavy rainfall region, and here also we can see, correct? That side, Gondia, Nagpur, all that heavy rainfall area, and here also some part is there, dark blue colored. Okay, and here this a little dull, that part shows that here moderate rainfall. We can see, we can get moderate rainfall, not more, not less, moderate, medium rainfall. Okay, this blue color, a little dull shaded. Okay, and here in the third, this portion, here you can see region with low rainfall. Got this? Region with low rainfall. Where it is? Near Solapur, Ahmednagar, there we get very less rainfall. Okay? Yes, this is again our Maharashtra map showing major fruits and cash crops. Now dear children, we know that agriculture is the main occupation in Maharashtra. Which is the main occupation? Agriculture, kheti. Agriculture is the main occupation in Maharashtra. There are two types. First one, agriculture in the state depends mostly on rainfall. This is called rain-fed or jirayati agriculture. Means in rainy season we do. Okay, that is called rain-fed agriculture or jirayati. Example is rice, chawal. Okay, and the other type is in some places water obtained through irrigation is also used. Okay, this is called irrigated agriculture. Upper one is rain fed, means totally dependent on the rain. Whenever the rain comes, we cultivate the rice. That is rain fed or jirayati agriculture. And in some places we use irrigation, means we supply water by using some pipelines. Okay, then it is called as irrigated agriculture or bagayati. Bagayati agriculture. Got this? Now, agriculture in the state depends mostly on rainfall. This is called rain-fed agriculture. We can see the picture here. Cultivation of rice. See in the rainy season. And how much water is needed for rice, you can see here. Okay, this is called jirayati agriculture. And it happens only in rainy season. Got this? Okay, the next one is, and one more thing is that the agricultural season that falls during the monsoon period is called Kharif season. What we call Kharif season. Here we grow rice, corn, soybean, sugarcane and groundnut and cotton. These are rain-fed or jirayati agricultural crops. Okay, because we cultivate these in the rainy season. So these are called as Kharif season or Kharif crops. Okay. The next thing is, in some places water obtained through irrigation is also used. Means stored water is used for the crops. That is called Bagayati or irrigated agriculture. See these irrigation methods: drip irrigation and sprinkle irrigation. There are two types, drip irrigation and sprinkle irrigation. Like this, by using the pipes, we supply water, sufficient water to the crops, and we don't depend on the rain. That is called Bagayati agriculture or irrigated agriculture. You can see here how they are supplying water to the crops. And here the agricultural season that falls during winter is called the Rabi season. In rainy season, if we carry out the agriculture, then it is called as Kharif season or Kharif crops. And in winter season, if we grow the crops, that is called Rabi season. See what all we can grow in the winter season: wheat, oats, chickpea, you know this, correct? Mustard, almond, badam, broccoli. Mustard means rye. Okay, these all crops we can do the cultivation of all these crops in winter season. So these are called as Rabi crops. Remember, winter Rabi, rainy Kharif. These two words, they are related, so you can understand that easily. Now dear children, we have studied so many things about Maharashtra, correct? Its capital city, then about the physical features of Maharashtra, then about the rainfall, correct? Yes. Then some more information we will go through in the next part, that is part 2 of this lesson. Till then, take care. Bye bye.